Today, this property nestled in the highly sought-after area of Tower Isle, St. Mary. This newly refurbished gem offers the perfect blend of modern comfort and Caribbean charm. This stunning property boasts four spacious bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, expansive living, dining, and family areas, entrance hallway, 3 balconies and a patio, ideal for enjoying the cool Caribbean breeze and breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea. There's an additional apartment of one bedroom, open concept living / dining areas / kitchen areas and bathroom, a perfect space for guests or rental income. This home sits on a generous 10,345.49 square feet of beautifully landscaped land, featuring an electronic gate for added privacy and security. Just 15 minutes from Ocho Rios, this property is surrounded by top-tier entertainment and outdoor activities, including Irie Outdoors entertainment venue Reggae Beach, White River, and the world-famous Dunn's River Falls. Let's take a look inside. Price for this one is JMD $80 million. If you want to view this property, the link is in the description for the agent. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more video like this. Thank you.